Here, and we're playing Hunger Games on, yeah, we're back again on Orient. That was a good chest, but no weapon. This series is solo for the time being. It will probably get to 4 people at once, and I'm recording. Well, there could be a bunch of people on here, so let's just run till we find a weapon. No one's chasing me. So if you guys can slap that like button. Get out. Comment, subscribe. Get. Sword. Sorry if this is a little boring. Let's go down here. Secret place I've never been to. Axe. 20 arrows. Full armor. Perfect. Probably a button somewhere. Oh, may as well just go back up the water. If I could find a button. I could trap myself in here, just put cobweb and it would block the water. Please don't drown me. Chop, chop, chop. So guys, as I was saying, can you slap that like button? Leave comment, subscribe. That'd really mean a lot to me and my brother. And yeah. Lord Victor! See him. Don't judge me if I like using the axe, because it swings faster, but it does less damage. Oh, teamers? Really? I'm gonna stay in one. If I could get him, I could run. Oh, wrong cobwebs. I need to eat, or I'm gonna die. So, this is kind of bad for me, just chasing him with a guy behind me, but I'm doing it anyway. Oh gosh. Oh! I don't know how I pulled this off. It's crazy. For that, can you leave no, can you get 100 views on this for that double kill? So guys, if nothing, let's just get on with the Hunger Games. I do not know what I'm saying. Let's do a little of this organizing. Man behind me. I think there's a team of 3. That's bad. Maybe I could team up with someone. Ooh, nice crafting, man. If I could get you, you will die. I have a feeling this guy's just gonna turn on me and then run. He's gonna bring me to his friends, and those suckers, and they're pro. Piplup plays TNT. Yeah, running is not gonna do you anything. I don't want to run off the spawn because I've got this. If I could kill him, I could get stick. It maybe. Please don't turn. Really, I hate you. The eggs, you will not regen. No, I have no armor. Aw. GG, well played. No. So guys, that's probably it for this video. Pretty fun. If you check out my other videos, please like, comment, subscribe again. Check out my brother's videos, same channel, different uploads. So yeah, see you guys later, and bye.